Hey there guys, it's Vlad and welcome to my channel. So Edifier has established a name for themselves. High quality products, amazing sound and affordable price. It's no exception with this product here. These are the TWS330 NB earbuds. But are they any good for the price of only $60? So these are the Edifier TWS330 NB earbuds. The ones I have here are white. They are also available in black. In my opinion, white ones are less prone to fingertip marks at least, and more important, scratches won't be visible. The design of the case and earbuds resembles Apple AirPods. Nice rounded case and yet not so large earbuds. Of course, they come with additional silicone ear pads to fit all ear sizes, and in the box you will also get Type-C charging cable and user's manual too. The case is so minimalistic in design, it even hides the Edifier logo nicely on the back side where the hinge mechanism is. A nice little engraved logo, and right below it there is a reset button. On the front side there is only one single LED which lights white when battery percentage is high, pink if it's at 50% and red if they need to be recharged. Once you open the lid on the case, the LED will turn on signaling the battery percentage, and it will also initiate pairing with nearby devices. Earbuds are held in case by magnets, and you can't mistake which one goes in which place, as each one corresponds to its place. They do not resemble the AirPods completely. As I said, they are a bit smaller than AirPods, and for that reason I think they fit much better in the ear. With some earbuds you can't always have the perfect fit, or they will fall off easily. Well, not the case here. I haven't had any issues with these ones. They fit nicely, take into account that you need to use proper size silicone plug, and they are also comfortable after a longer period of usage. Although I recommend you take breaks in listening after 1 hour just to avoid ear fatigue. Top of the earbud stem is also a touch sensor, used to control the earbuds. More on this later, as there are a lot of commands to learn or change. And on the inside there are little vent ports. These are used for better sounding bass. So let's talk about the battery life, and this is literally the most painful part of any earbuds. So the consumption of battery depends a lot on listening volumes. So at some 70% listening volume, with active noise cancelling, you will get some 4 hours of battery life plus 15 hours from the case, as it charges the battery while the earbuds are stored, and some 5.5 hours of listening time with ANC off. But take all these numbers with a grain of salt, because your results may differ, meaning more time if you are using them at lower volume, as less power is needed to drive them, or less time if you crank up the volume. There is one cool thing here. The case supports quick charging, so 10 minutes of charging give you 1 hour of battery life. Earbuds are fully charged after 1 hour and the whole case after 1.5 hours. They come with Bluetooth 5.0 with support for AAC and SBC codecs, active noise cancellation, also AI call noise cancellation. They also have Ambient Sound mode, I'll explain this later. Already mentioned quick charging support, and they are also IP54 rated, which means that they are dust and waterproof. Supported Bluetooth profiles are A2DP, AVRCP and HFP. Frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and sound pressure level is 92 plus minus 3 decibels. ANC is amazing with these earbuds. 38 decibels of noise can be cancelled out if you of course select proper silicone ear tip. This in return eliminates all noises in a crowded environment. It still lets in high-pitched noises, but all the other noises are suppressed nicely. This is their hybrid ANC technology, and they are using built-in microphones to suppress the noise, and it works pretty nice, so let's say it blocks some 80% of your surroundings. Similar to ANC, we also have the complete opposite feature, the Ambient Sound mode, which can be adjusted in 6 levels, ranging from very little to medium and highly amplified sounds. It's like having a super hearing. All of this is possible thanks to the Edifier Connect app, and this is of course where you can set what each earbud can do when you use them. You can map the controls used for double-click and triple-click settings. For example, you can set when you double-click on the right earbud to activate noise cancellation. When triple-click, you can set it to activate ambient sound. You can of course set other functions for the left earbud. There is also a gaming mode present. While in gaming mode, latency is reduced. To be honest, I haven't noticed that it's lagging. Maybe I'm not that sensitive to it, but to my ears, all the sounds were there at the right time. You can of course use them independently, so if you perhaps want to use the right one only and leave the left one in the case, you can do it. And while listening to music, the music won't stop if you do this, so there's a plus here. But what about sound quality? I think this is where these shine the most. Soundstage is well balanced, the bass is there, it's pronounced well, not too high so it wouldn't sound distorted, it's literally the correct amount. Midtones are well defined and you can properly hear all the instruments while listening to music. Treble is not too high as well, so as I said, everything is well balanced, so if you like to listen to a lot of music and you don't like heavy bass that distorts the sound, these are the perfect earbuds for you. Call quality is okay, it's nothing spectacular as this depends heavily on the network call quality first, but it does the job very well at blocking the wind and surrounding environments. So here take a listen how it sounds, I made a little call just for you.
So this is the call quality sound. It's nothing spectacular as it depends heavily on the network call quality first, but it does the job very well at blocking the wind and surrounding environment. And this is recorded on a phone, so you'll be the judge of how it sounds.
So if I compare these earbuds versus the previously reviewed NeoBuds Pro, I can say that TWS330 NB have much better sound in my opinion. I say this because NeoBuds are high-res certified, they do not have that much heavy bass as these ones have. And yes, they have better sound quality, but for someone who wants to feel the music while listening, I think that TWS330 NB is a much better choice. You would need extremely well-trained ears to hear the difference in sound quality, and as always, this is a completely subjective thing. So it seems that I have found a perfect pair of earbuds. Great looks, great sound and amazing price at only $60. Of course, huge thanks goes to Edifier and to you guys for watching this video. Check the link in the description if you want to buy these, and I'll see you in the next one.